Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen More, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. For today's video, we're going to make cream caramel with no egg, no bake. You just refrigerate it and then you can eat a creamy caramel or leche flan. So wanna know how I make this? Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 1 big spoon of sugar. We also need 2 big spoons of milk powder. We also need 2 cups of water. And of course, we need our cream caramel, ready to use, or in Tagalog, we call this leche flan. So first step, we're going to put our 1 spoon of sugar, then 2 big spoons of milk, then we put our cream caramel, then 2 cups of water, then we're going to mix it. Until it will dissolve. So now it's already mixed. We're going to put it on fire. Then we keep on stirring until it will get boil. So now it's boiling. So when it's boiling, we have to lower the fire. Okay, and let it boil a little bit. Then now we can switch off the fire. So I use this glass where we are going to put our caramel. So first step, we're going to put our caramel mix. So in the box, this one is already been free. So you don't have time to make. So you put a little bit on each glass. So now I have put all the caramel sauce. So now we're going to put the one we make. So now we have put all the caramel. So we're going to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours and we can start to eat. So after 4 hours, now as you can see, our cream caramel or leche flan is done. So we're going to try one from this. So now our cream caramel or leche flan is done. So thank you guys for watching and happy cooking. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. You can see it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.